Hi everybody, I'm Tim from RTF Systems, and today we're going to show you how to enhance your kitchen cabinet. We're going to put a backsplash on the back of the kitchen cabinet here on the pre-cut 1 inch off of the backside for the backsplash. The backsplash can be used for several things. It can be used as a windbreak on an island, and it can also be used to put shallow electric plugs in on the wall. So we're going to go ahead and install this. The first thing we're going to do is remove one side where the hardware is currently stored. So we're going to remove this. We've removed all the screws, and we're going to lift this panel right here off. This gets put down along with the screws, and inside you see the hardware to assemble. There is pre-drilled holes in the frame that correspond with the same holes on the back of the frame of the cabinet. Each bar and backsplash is size specific to whatever cabinet is being used. And we're going to remove the top so that we have access to put the unit together. Now that the top is removed, you'll see the corresponding holes to the back holes here on the frame, and they will just line up. Using the provided hardware with a 9/16 inch wrench. Now that the bolts are in, we're going to tighten them into position using 9/16 inch wrenches. Now we're going to tighten these all the way in using 9/16 inch wrenches. Now we're going to slide the top back in place. And then we'll put the face back on. Now we're putting the face back on we removed earlier. And there you have it. We put a backsplash on a standard cabinet and added a whole other dimension to this kitchen. You can now use this to put electric plugs in. It acts as a windbreak, and also helps keep things from rolling off. And using a corbel, you could put a granite countertop on for a bar. That is the RTF backsplash system. Thank you.